There is a young man in my country that is known for his music. He's a young boy, jumping, singing, all kinds of things, dancing this way. But that one, God has poured an oil on him. He calls him my servant. This is my first time of speaking publicly. His name is Davido. God said, for he is my servant. For he shall be president of Nigeria, and he shall unite the country. Yet this guy is jumping up, singing, and he's a secular musician. But yet chosen by God in the realm of the spirit, in the spirit realm, I saw him knelt before Jesus, and the Lord took a jar of oil and poured on his head, and then declared to me in the spirit, see, he's been appointed to unite the country and to bring the country to economic freedom. The first instruction that he said, he shall unite the country. Yet he's a secular musician. But the oil on him, he doesn't even know that he has a future. So God said, begin to pray for him for protection. Because when the oil comes on you in the realm, Satan sees it. God is anointing so many folks in different countries for an incarnation of the spirit of Elijah for political and economic deliverance of nations.